Welcome, let's get moving. It's a great day to move our bodies. Just start with a gentle walk. Short and sweet today. Everybody's super busy, lots to do. Let's just move to boost some energy, elevate our moods. We're gonna focus on a little bit of leg strength today, just so that when you're running all those errands, you're gonna be extra strong and you can go through your day with this incredible calm, strength, and ease. Alrighty, let's begin to straighten the leg, reach out, and bring a bit of a twist into it. Breathe in and out. The movement is so critical to helping us move through our day, but especially this time of year. Take the breathing exercises. One breath can make all the difference. When everything around you is hectic and crazy, one conscious breath can make all the difference between reacting, generally overreacting, and responding. Okay, one more to each side. Brilliant. Big step, try not to fall, and twist. Step across as far as you can. Twist your body as deeply as possible. Breathe in and out. In and out. Sweep that arm across your body. Bring all your presence into each and every movement. Feel your fingertips as they come across. Yeah. Ooh. One more to here. Excellent. Okay. Heel, tap. Arms come up. Bit of a bicep curl. Point your fingers out. Open your hands nice and wide. And sit down just a little bit. Head up high. Sit as low as you can. Modify as always. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. Some days we're a little stronger, a little bit more mobile and better balanced than other days. It's that acceptance. Hey, this is where I'm at today. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, a little bit of gratitude goes a long way, wouldn't you say? One more to each side. Brilliant. Let's come up on our toes and reach up to the sky. This is so great for building ankle mobility, core stability, and balance. You can breathe in and out. Squat down just a little bit. Do your best. Enjoy the ride. Ooh, one more. Nicely done. Okay, just a few reverse lunges here. This looks different for each of us, wherever you're at. Maybe you're just gonna step, and just like this. Maybe you come down, or all the way. Remember, step over to the side. It eliminates the balance component. And now we're just focusing on strength. So just do what you can here. If you need something to help with the balance, by all means, grab a chair, a countertop. But this is so great for building strength in our glutes, thighs. Ooh, one more to this side. And now, other side. And again, you modify. Do what's best for you. If you can get all the way down, brilliant. But just feel that strength that you possess. Last one. Get as low as you can on this last one. Oh, well done. Shake it out. Ooh, shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay, really dynamic. We're gonna big circle with the arms, bring them back towards your body, squat down just a little bit, big circle. Breathe in and out. Look up to the sky. Just get very dynamic. Find a movement that works for you. That could be just this. Oh, how glorious. Beautiful movement. Or maybe you want to get real big. Just a few here. Breathe in and let it out. Open up those fingertips again. Wide hands. Just move in a way that you can really feel everything that's happening. Maybe you start to, wow, this body is amazing. Movement is awesome. Last one. Let's build a little bit of balance and leg strength. Come into prayer, lift the knee, and twist to the side. Just a little gentle twist. Bring that knee up ever so slightly. Whatever works best for you. You can come up way high and twist deep if you like. If that's available, great. Maybe this is where it's at. Just do what you can. Ooh, yes. Just one more to each side. Twist. Yes. Okay. Now, come up on our heels, on the balls of our feet again. And give yourself a nice hug. Right arm over top, then left arm over top. Bring that hug in as tight as you can. Feel that in the upper back and the shoulders. We're building that mobility as well as this remarkable leg strength. Head up high. Feel that integrity in your entire body. Wow. We're moving. We're alive. Glory, glory. One more. Brilliant. Okay. Let's just finish. I don't know how well you can see it. Oh, I'm just going to shift my body weight from side to side. This tree that hangs down here. I love coming through this path. I always have to duck underneath it when I'm on my bike. It's early enough. There's nobody here yet. How amazing. Just this gentle shift of body weight. Such a great movement. Again, while you're waiting for your tea or coffee, finding these micro movements, build strength in the legs, core stability and balance. Let's give laser-like attention for 20 seconds all together while we shift our body weight so we can avoid distractions, connect to our breath, and not let what's outside of us affect what's going on the inside. Let's go. Okay, everybody's got busy days. You want to get on with it. Have the most glorious day. Find the good in everything today. There's something good in every situation. Just look for it and you will find it. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.